Let us have a look at this question. A processor has 40 distinct instructions and 24 general purpose registers. A 32-bit instruction word has an opcode, two register operands, and an immediate operand. The number of bits available for the immediate operand field is dash. So we need to fill the blank. Now let us see. A similar question, similar model question I explained you as a first question. You can have a look at. When these kind of a questions are asked to identify the number of bits in a specific field of an instruction, we need to do this stuff. That is, first you draw the block diagram of an instruction, then you divide the fields. There are how many fields? Here, as it is given in the question, this instruction word has an opcode. I do have an opcode field. And there are two register operands. And final one is immediate operand. The first one is opcode. Second one is R1. Third one is R2, register operand 1 and register operand 2. And final one is immediate operand. Now we need to identify the number of digits for each field. In order to fill this field, we need to identify what are the total number of machine language instructions or opcodes. Here it is given the total number of machine language instructions in the system is equal to 40. So these are the number of opcodes. Okay, this can be either called as machine language instructions or opcodes. So the total number of machine language instructions in the system is equal to 40. So opcode field does require the number of digits, minimum number of digits that are needed to represent a total of 40. So I do require 6 digits, because when I say 2 power 5, 2 power 5 is equal to 32. Okay, so if the opcode field is equal to 5, I can represent a maximum of 32 different opcodes. But 32 is not sufficient. The number of opcodes are equal to 40. So I require 6 digits which can represent a maximum of 64 opcodes. But 64 are not available, but still I need to use 6-digit opcode field, because the number of opcodes are more than 32, less than 64. So I do use 6-digit opcode. Okay, R1. So here I need to have sufficient number of bits to represent the total number of registers in the system. The total number of registers in the system is 24. Okay, this 24, if you want to represent 24 registers, I do require 5 digits, because if I use 4 digits, 2 power 4 is equal to 16. 4 digits can represent only 16 registers, but 5 digits can represent 32 registers. So this 24 is in between 16 and 32. So I do use 5 digits, because by using 5 digits, I can represent any of the available 24 registers. Okay, so R1 will be equal to 5 digits. Of course, R2 is also equal to 5 digits, because R1 and R2 will represent 2 of the available 24 registers, and immediate operand field should be equal to 32 minus 16, because total instruction size is equal to 32, in which opcode R1, R2 collectively together they occupied 16 digits, and the remaining 16 digits will be equal to immediate operand. So the answer is equal to 16. So once again, total instruction should be divided into the fields which are given in the question: opcode field, register 1 and register 2, immediate operand. Now plot the number of digits required for each field. Opcode, the total number of opcodes in the system is equal to 40, right? Total number of opcodes is equal to 40. If you want to represent 40, I do require 6 digits, because 2 power 6 is equal to 64, but 2 power 5 is equal to just 32. This 40 is in between 64 and 32. I do require 6 digits, so I do require 6 digits. Okay, and then R1 and R2, as the number of registers in the system is equal to 24, I do require 5 digits. When I use 5 digits, I can represent a maximum of 32 registers. But when I use 4 digits, only I will be able to represent 16 registers, which are not sufficient. So register field, register 1 is equal to 5 digits, register 2 is also equal to 5 digits, and the immediate operand, for the immediate operand field, I will use the remaining number of digits when we subtract the number of digits that are required to represent each field from the total number of digits that are 32. So the number of bits for IO is equal to 16.